Walking lang kami. Walking.
Hindi mo nakita earthquake.
Hello, boy. How are you? Friendly talaga yan. Friendly. She's friendly. Ay, nag-flying kiss pa. Nag-flying kiss pa. Sarap tumakbo. Hinahabol ako. My car. Oh. Slowly. Oh. Oh, dito. Here. Baby. Wrong way. Here. Wait. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up.
Sabi ko kung 140 ko, sayang pa yung pera.
Oo, opo.
Open the cabinet, baby. Ah, magtatago ka na naman dyan. May cabinet. Close the door. Lusak mo yung kamay mo dyan.
Ano kay bakit mo?
This is the other bedroom. May cabinet din. This is the bathroom. And this is storage room. And I think it's a basement. Yeah, it's the basement down. Okay.
Ano yung ito, sago? Sa inyo, ay yung mga ano. Ito wala na daw tulingan.
Pwede naman niyang ayusin. Oh, nice. That's nice. Lahat working.
Lahat working, ma.
Yeah.
Maganda naman.
Binago nila yung mga ano nila.
Oo, opo. Kaya nga po.
This storage room, and I think it's a basement. Yeah, it's the basement down. Stay. Then ito yung backyard. Winter, may dog! Shh! Baka ilusot mo yung kamay mo dyan. Laka. Ala. 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 Oops.
Pero paano kayo bakit yun na?
Okay.
Ito pa yung ano yung ito sako sa inyo ay yung mga ano. Ito wala na daw itong laman. Wala
Pwede
na
naman
laman?
niyang ayusin.
Pumatok po yung sister ko eh. Dito, here. Here. Oh, smile muna kay daddy. Smile muna kay daddy. Smile na. Smile na. Yan, nasa face. Smile. Ano yung good time, eh?
Ha? Okay.
Tapos itong ano, pagkasaksak ko ng chicken, ang init na agad yung labas ng tubig, di na tayo mag-ano ma.
Mag-air pa. Oo, tama yan. Hot and cold.
Tapos yan pa, lagi namin sinisipas yan. 180 yan.
Dati.
Oo, 200 ganyan.
Sale ngayon yata, pati sa check marks.
Naka-asil. 89! 89 na basta yung place na natin, di ba? Ano ko lang?
Pati marks naka-sale. Ano, may 1 to 15.
Yung mix din ngayon, kaya sabi ko puntahan din namin.
Oo.
At mamili na kasi may libre yatang ano, Bluetooth speaker. Sayang din.
Pwede mo yung ilagay dito sa ano. small po. Kuha kayo small. Itong gloves. Para sa baby. Ang luwag. Nahirapan na po. Ang ayoko lang mag-gloves kasi pag nag-uugas. Parang nakaramdam ko. Natatanggal sa kanya.
Ito din ba ma? Ugasan. Ito? Ito hindi na. Ito hindi na.
Parang, asa ba dito malamig?
Ito, kabila.
Ayoko na mainit. Kukunin mo yung ano?
Tinapon ko nga.
Kukunin mo yung pagkain? Yung inorder mo.
Alright. $12.50? Oh yeah, for sure. 639 535 0034. How much? Alright, thank you. Alright. Yes, yes. Alright. Wow! Yeah! Alright. What happened? Come on, come on. What happened? What baby? Why? Why baby? Siya kasama.
Sure, let's talk about family house
Hey
cleaning.
everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the importance of family, house cleaning and how it can benefit everyone in the household. Did you know that a clean home can actually improve your family's overall health? Dust, dirt, and other allergens can trigger allergies and asthma, especially in children. By regularly cleaning your home, you can reduce the risk of these health issues. Cleaning your home can also help your family feel more organized and productive. A cluttered space can lead to distractions and a lack of focus. By keeping your home clean and organized, you can create a more peaceful and productive environment for your family. Now, let's talk about the benefits of family house cleaning for your children. When your children see you taking care of the home, it teaches them the importance of cleanliness and responsibility. It also helps them develop a sense of pride in their home and their belonging. Family house cleaning can also be a great bonding experience. By working together as a family, you can create lasting memories and strengthen your family bonds. It's a great way to spend quality time together while getting things done. Lastly, a clean home can actually save you money in the long run. By regularly cleaning and maintaining your home, you can avoid costly repairs and replacements down the line. It's a small investment that can pay off big in the future. So, there you have it. Family house cleaning is not only important for keeping your home clean, but it can also benefit your family's health, organization, and bonding. We hope this has inspired you to start cleaning your home together as a family. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.
Ito.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, happy cleaning!
Ito, kabila.
Kukunin mo yung ano?
Tinapon ko nga.
Kukunin mo yung pagkain?
Alright. $12.50? Oh yeah, for sure. 639. How much? Alright, thank you. Alright. Yes, yes. Alright. Wow! Yeah! Alright. What happened? Come on, come on. What happened? Oh, baby. Why? Why, baby?
Where are you, Winter? Ay! Oh, wow! Nagpi-play ka? Hindi mo ako nakita sa bintana? Wow! Okay. Ay, natapon. Huwag tayo basahan. Basahan. Yan, kukuha siya ng basahan, natapon yung inumin niya.